my own personal belief is that you know, they knew that there were going to be effects on the planet as this object got closer, so they had to come up with something to explain all these weird happenings, and obviously global warming would be the explanation. December of last year, they launched a WISE telescope, which is like IRIS, but it's 500 times stronger. So they're looking real hard for something out there. Notice how WISE is also like WISE, like an owl, like Bohemian Grove. It's, okay, so this is interesting. Not many people know there's been a lot of earthquakes under Yellowstone for the last 10, 11 days. Okay, this has been, and the interesting thing about it was that on the 13th, a couple days before all these earthquakes started, they set up all this new earthquake monitoring equipment right before the earthquake started. So maybe they knew that they were going to start.
Maybe they started them.
Here's what I'm interested in. See, this is pretty close here. The 24th. A couple days ago, millionaire Herman Rockefeller vanishes from Australia. He gets off his plane, he gets in his car, he drives out of the airport, and he vanished. He's gone. The cops are saying it's been one of the most baffling cases in their history. It's the most baffling case in 31 years of my career. I can't understand where this person is gone. He just disappeared. Just the day before yesterday, they found his car, and they found absolutely no evidence of foul play. So it looks like he slipped somewhere. He just up and vanished. So there's that. There's Rockefeller starting to turn up missing. Marion Barry makes the 12th House Democrat to retire in the last 24 days. So the Democrats are jumping ship. And then, how many times have you ever heard a president say we're going to withdraw troops at a certain time? You don't do that. You never tell the enemy that you're going to withdraw troops in 2011, because what will happen? They'll just hold out until then and then wait till you leave. So why did Barack Obama tell everybody that they were going to withdraw the troops in 2011? Doesn't make no sense. Now this is interesting here because I'm sure you've all
anything makes any sense at all anymore.
You see all the chemtrails? Okay. They're blanketing the area for some reason. Well, here's a video of what chemtrails are made of. This is right out of the news.
Could a strange substance found by a Southwest Arkansas man be part of a government test? Well, that's the question at the heart of a phenomenon called chemtrails, now getting widespread attention. Well, tonight, Baseline News 12 investigation reporter Jeff Farrell shows us the result of testing we had done about what's in our skies.
It seemed like someone, it was just crisscrossing the whole sky. It was just like a giant checkerboard.
Bill Nichols snapped several photos of the strange clouds from his home in Stamps, Arkansas. They begin as normal contrails from a jet engine, but do not fade away like a normal contrail. Soon after, he saw particles in the air.
Well, because we'd see it drop to the ground in a haze.
Nichols then noticed the material collecting on the ground.
This is water and stuff that I collected in bowls. I had it set out in my backyard on my dad's pickup truck.
KSLA News 12 had the sample tested at a lab. The results? A high level of barium, 6.8 parts per million, more than 3 times the toxic level set by the EPA. Armed with these lab results about the high levels of barium found in our sample, we decided to contact the Louisiana Department of Environmental Quality. They told us that yes, these levels are very unusual, but at the same time they added the caveat that proving the source is a whole other matter. Barium is a hallmark of other chemtrail testing, which even attracted attention from a Los Angeles TV station. There's already no shortage of unclassified weather modification programs by the government. But those who fear chemtrails could be secret biological or chemical testing on them.
I'm going to stop it right there because it just gets into kind of disinformation after this.